Pi Network users propose token prices ahead of live network launch. Get ready for the most anticipated launch in the cryptocurrency world. As Pi Network gears up to go live in 2024, users are buzzing with excitement and speculation about the potential value of the Pi token. Join us as we dive into the fascinating discussions surrounding proposed token prices, each tied to the mathematical constant Pi. From $31.40 to $314.159 per Pi, discover the symbolic significance and mathematical connections driving the Pi Network community's enthusiasm. Plus, mark your calendars for 2024, a date set to revolutionize digital currency usage as Pi coins become available for purchases worldwide. Don't miss out on this revolutionary milestone. Stay tuned for all the latest updates and insights on Pi Network's journey towards global recognition and adoption. If you are interested in anything around Pi Network, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Pi Network news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure you hit the like button for us to provide you with more Pi Network news. And also don't forget to drop Pi Network to the moon and your country name in the comments section below. With that being said, let's dive right in. As the highly anticipated live network launch of Pi Network nears in 2024, users of the decentralized cryptocurrency project are actively discussing the future worth of the Pi tokens. With speculation rampant and excitement increasing in the community, Pi Network members have offered a variety of pricing points for the Pi token, each with its own symbolic and numerical importance. The recommended price point of $31.40 per Pi is mathematically significant as an approximation of the mathematical constant Pi. This recommended price emphasizes the relationship between the Pi token and its eponymous mathematical idea, underlining the token's intrinsic value and distinct identity in the cryptocurrency environment. Another proposed price point is $314 per Pi, which underlines the connection with the mathematical constant Pi. This price point is based on the numerical sequence of the first three digits of Pi, an homage to the Pi token's mathematical origins and underlying concepts. Users have recommended a price of $3.141 per Pi, which corresponds directly to the first four digits of the mathematical constant Pi. This recommended price emphasizes the Pi token's numerical symmetry and significance, demonstrating its compatibility with mathematical principles and unique appeal to both enthusiasts and experts. For some customers, the recommended price of $31.415 per Pi extends the numerical sequence of Pi beyond its first digits. This pricing point strengthens the token's identification as a digital representation of mathematical concepts and principles by extending its symbolic connection to the mathematical constant, Pi. Finally, at $314.159 per Pi, users have proposed a price that includes the first six digits of the mathematical constant, Pi. This proposed value captures the spirit of Pi Network's ambition to bring mathematical principles into the field of decentralized finance, providing users with a unique and intellectually exciting avenue for financial participation. With the live network launch of Pi Network approaching, user anticipation grows as conversations about the potential value of the Pi token heat up. While the proposed price points represent various interpretations and connotations with the mathematical constant Pi, they all show the community's enthusiasm and optimism for the future of Pi Network and its digital currency. As users excitedly await the debut, the proposed token prices reflect the different viewpoints and shared excitement of the Pi Network community. On March 14, 2024, the Pi Network ecosystem undergo a transformational shift, marking a watershed moment in the world of digital currency. For Pi holders around the world, this date not only marks a long-awaited milestone, but also the start of a new era in which the power of Pi coins may be used to purchase and access a wide range of services globally. This development is a huge step forward in Pi's drive to greater adoption and global awareness. Since its creation, Pi has captivated the cryptocurrency market, attracting attention from millions of active users worldwide. With its ambitious aim and unique strategy, the project has emerged as a major participant in the digital currency space. The imminent breakthrough, which will allow Pi holders to use their Pi coins for transactions outside of the Pi ecosystem, demonstrates the project's unrelenting advancement and unshakable commitment to innovation. The ability for Pi holders to use their Pi coins to make purchases signals a significant step forward in the evolution of the Pi network. This key discovery opens up a world of possibilities, allowing Pi users to effortlessly incorporate their digital assets into their daily lives and transactions. Pi coins will soon be acknowledged as a valid currency by retailers and service providers around the world, providing Pi holders with unrivaled ease and accessibility. As Pi coins become more interchangeable for goods and services outside of the Pi ecosystem, the project is expected to gain global popularity and awareness. This achievement not only increases the utility of Pi coins, but it also solidifies Pi Network's status as a pioneering force in the cryptocurrency industry. By bridging the gap between digital currency and real-world transactions, Pi Network lays the framework for a future in which decentralized currencies play an important part in everyday trade and interactions. As the March 14th milestone approaches, anticipation and enthusiasm grow within the Pi community. This historic event not only marks a tremendous accomplishment for Pi Network, but it also lays the groundwork for continued growth and innovation in the months and years ahead. With its steadfast commitment to improving Pi coin adoption and usage, Pi Network continues to shape the future of digital currency, providing users with unprecedented potential for financial empowerment and inclusion on a global scale. As the Pi Network prepares for its highly anticipated live network launch in 2024, the community is abuzz with speculation about the potential value of the Pi token, with various proposed price points ranging from $31.40 to $314.159 per Pi, each reflecting different symbolic and numerical connections to the mathematical constant Pi. It's evident that Pi enthusiasts are deeply engaged in discussions surrounding the token's significance. These proposed price points not only highlight the unique identity of the Pi token within the cryptocurrency landscape, but also underscore the community's enthusiasm and optimism for the future of Pi Network. As we eagerly await the live network launch, it's clear that Pi Network is poised to revolutionize the world of decentralized finance, offering users a digital currency deeply rooted in mathematical principles and symbolic significance. As Pi Network gears up for its monumental live network launch in 2024, the excitement within the community continues to soar. With discussions surrounding the potential value of the Pi token reaching new heights, it's evident that Pi Network is on the brink of a transformative journey. Stay tuned as we embark on this groundbreaking adventure together, where the power of Pi coins extends far beyond the digital realm. Join us as we usher in a new era of financial empowerment and inclusion, where Pi Network leads the charge in shaping the future of decentralized finance. Don't miss out on this historic moment. Subscribe to our channel for the latest updates and be part of the Pi Network revolution. Together we'll redefine the way the world views digital currency, one Pi at a time.